Nakikipag-away ang matmat. Hello, hi, happy Sunday. Ayan, ayos na ako dito sa aking garden. Hindi ko alam kung lalabas kami today. Ayan, nakapagdilig ako dito sa likod kahapon and then sa harap naman this morning. Nilipat ko sila kasi sobrang araw sa harap. Ito rin, oh, dami niyang na dahon. Ayan, inalisan din natin ng mga old na bulaklak ang ating dancing lady. 5 dancing lady to guys, tapos yung isa free nung nagtitinda kasi nasira yung bulaklak. Hala, kakakita ko lang update sa ating saging guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung poso ng saging na lumalabas. Ayan, oh. Malapit nang magbunga ang ating saging. Wow! Ngayon ko lang napansin guys. Kailan pa kaya yan lumabas? Ay, wow! Tapos mag-harvest tayo ng ating kamatis mamaya. Kasi super dami na ng hinog. Oh. Wow, yes. Iba talaga pag may tanim ka sa bahay, no? Tapos yung papaya din natin. Tumubo lang yan dyan. Dami na rin bunga. Pang tinola, guys. Baka makagawa rin tayo ng atsara dyan. Ay, naku po. So yan, Mandevilla Giant Red Romance. Yan yung isa sa nabili namin noong November 22, 6 months namin ni Daddy Marky as married couple. May calamansi and then meron din tayong caladium guys. Ayan, lipat natin ang ating calamansi sa isang malaking pot. Meron tayong potting mix dyan. And ta-da! Tapos na nating malipat. Yan ng ating calamansi. May bunga na siyang hinog guys. So ayan guys, dahil Sunday, napag-decidean ko na magstay muna dito sa bahay. Habang naglalaba, nag-ayos naman ako sa mga recycled bottles namin na pwede nang i-dispose for 10 cents each. Ayan ang ating first load for today. Sa pagsusort ko ng mga bottle and cans, wine bottles and beer bottles. Kumukuha din siya pala sa ano. So yung ibang bottles dyan kinukuha niya rin sa workplace niya. So extra income pag gasolina. Ayan, natapos na tayo sa pag-sort ng mga bottles ni Daddy. And tapos na rin yung isang salang natin. Nagsama ko yung can at saka yung plastic. Sobrang init na naman today guys. Yung pawis na naman. So, magsampay lang ako. Ayan, gising na si Mr. Tinutulungan niya ako magsampay. Love! Ayan, load na ni Daddy Marky sa boot ang ating mga bottles. Yes, Daddy, that's all. How much is that one, you reckon? Bet.
25.
25.
25?
Heavy. Nag-bet kami, sabi ko 25 ang total. Like 250 pieces bottles. 250 pieces and then that's $25. Daddy Marky's bet is 28. At first, your bet is 28 and then he changed it. Okay, 25 as well. And then he changed it. Okay, 26. Guys, malaking ano din to, extra kung ano, pang gasolina, ganun. Nung nag-work pa ako sa restaurant, kinukuha ko yung mga bottles. Right, love?
Fine.
You don't do this before
No.
when you're alone. But when he met me, he did save all the bottles, beer bottles, wine. Natututo ang mister. Sorting out. I'm gonna clean that one and then keep it inside. It's not there. It's not supposed to be there, isn't it? Ayan guys, hindi na ako nag-base. I-drop lang namin itong mga bottles and then babalik bahay and then i-car wash natin si Queenie. Tulog pa si Amanda. Hindi na natin siya sasama para mag-drop. Ayan yung mga bottles sa likod. Ayan, dito na kami guys.
Alcohol? So,
hindi sila busy. Ayan, sila na magbubukas sa boot and then sila magdodrop. So, ganyan nila sinusort. Kita nyo yun, cans and then bottles. Plastic one. So, ayan, binubuksan na nila. Ayan na yung atin. Dami, oh.
Oh, from plastic.
Yeah, that's what I did. Ayun na yung mga wine ni Daddy.
Well, I've ever told you this, but when with the soul.
So guys, ayan na ang ating nakuha na bayad ng ating bottle. Daddy bet 28 pero pinalitan niya ng 26 and then this is $29. No, it's $28.90 and then they gave us extra 10 cents. It should be $29.10 because we have 2 bottles at the back. Extra. Nahulog. Ayan na ang guys. Walis naman tayo dito sa garage and magsampay.
Now.
Second load finish. Say hi! Daddy Mark is doing the car wash. And then me just sweeping the garage, guys. Cleaning up. And bukas or today, pag sinipag ako, gusto kong i-arrange tong shelving. May binili si Daddy Marky for me para sa mga plant display sana, pero I can use this one here inside the house, in the room, or in the garage. Here in the garage, I'll show you. Malco, how much is this one? 75?
Sorry?
75. You bought this 75, isn't it?
Pardon?
You bought this one like 75 each.
I can't remember now, my uncle.
Yeah, I reckon because it's on sale. Meron siyang biniling 4. Ayan siya. Wire shelving. Ayan, nag-harvest tayo ng kangkong. Nag-harvest din tayo ng tomato. Hindi ka na ah. Pakita natin kay Daddy Morty. Fruit! It's coming!
Where?
On top! Here, come here, come here. Dang, tignan mo yung ano ng saging. There, oh!
Where?
Mahal ko naman eh. There, oh. Look, look, look. I'll show you there, oh. Nyamot nagtipo. Yun din man eh. Kita mo dati video.
Nakakadating ko lang.
Kita mo dati video dyan man eh.
It's just another leaf, Mahal.
No, it's not. It's the banana thing.
Hindi ka lumapit.
It means I'm gonna get out of the fence.
If I didn't plant the banana here on the ground, it's not gonna grow like that. Look, there's a lot of baby.
Look how much it's grown so quick.
I know. That's just a year. Last year. Oh no. I'll check the video.
You just want to eat the leaf.
We can do boodle fight using the leaf. Put the leaf on the table and then put food in there. It's the boodle fight thing. Would you like to do that on Christmas Day? Boodle fight with the seafood.
You have to pick the strawberries, Mahal.
Strawberries. Cherry! We're harvesting cherry tomorrow. Ay, nangayon ni Amanda! Ayan, do it! Ay! Come on, love. Do the harvest. First harvest of our cherry tomato.
Lapit ka, ano?
Kalagitnaan ng araw, guys. Hinugin mo muna yung mga nandun. Ang satisfying naman ito. You know, first harvest. Sakto yung ulam natin is pork. Sausaw natin doon. Tapos yung kangkong. Yum! Ayan, yung ating cherry tomato. Si Daddy Marky nag-request siya ng omelette. So, luto tayo ng omelette niya. Guys, tignan nyo. Dalawang itlog, dalawa yung yolk niya. 2 each. Lalaki kasi. Uy! Wow! It's Daddy Mark's omelette. Pakita natin sa kanya.
Dad!
Look! Where are you? What are you doing? Thought you're cleaning.
I am. Oh la la!
Made it from scratch.
Oh la la!
So Daddy's omelette is ready. I'm gonna cook my adobong kangkong. And I cook French toast. See his omelette, oh. Ayan, naglagay na tayo ng pork. Soy. Yum, ang bango. Sabi kasi ni Daddy Marky kanina, ano, you wanna go out for lunch or ano? Eh, in-invite namin yung papa niya, ayaw niya. Sabihan namin, busy ata. Tapos yun, bahay na lang tayo, luto ako, sabi ko.
How are you cooking?
Ayan, nagluto rin ako ng fried rice. Tapos hindi ata to kangkong na, ano, adobo. Pork ata yan na may konting kangkong. Ayan, let's eat! Daddy Marky. Naubos na yung omelette niya, guys. Ayan pala, si Amanda kumain na kanina. Nagluto siya ng pork. Love, taste this one. Yung French toast. Sarap. Is that the one we bought in Asian shop? Is it good?
In the what?
Asian shop.
Yeah.
We bought chili oil sa Asian shop last time. Is it good? Strong? Spicy?
No,
spicy?
it's not. Or dip a bit of pork in it. French toast.
So good. Have you tried water spinach, Malam? I'm about to put in your omelette, but I don't know if you like it. Like what? Water spinach. This is what they're using in Chinese restaurants for stir fry thing. Have you tried it? Do you like it?
Ayan, 1:14 na guys. Hindi pa rin tapos si Daddy Martin natin maglinis kay Queenie. Nag-vacuum siya. Ang linis-linis niya. Ang ating Queenie! Pogi! Pogi! Hindi ako marinig. Nag-vacuum siya eh. Iba ang shiny na lang bebe natin. Ayan, kunin na rin natin yung mga damit. Sobrang taas na araw sa labas eh. Magandang hapon. Ayan, ginising ako ni Daddy Martin. Mag-walking daw kami. Getting ready. Hey, love. Literal nakakagising ko lang, guys. Sarap matulog. I'm thinking, what did we do yesterday? And then I remembered, I had a nap again. While you're doing something, isn't it? Yeah. Ayan, yung madadaanan namin kahoy, may mga ganyan. Ang ganda, oh. Roses. Can we get one? Dito lang kami around the neighborhood, guys. We're not far yet, but look at my kilikili. Guys, 5:52. We're wearing terno. Machi-machi shoes. Are we? Look at the bird in there, the spotted one.
The spotted dove. Together.
Ayan, pababa tayo sa may train line. Sana may dumaan na train. There's train coming. Love! Timingan natin. Sana sabi ko may dadaan na yun, no? Namiss ko sumakay sa train. Ang timing naman yan. So, I just said, I just hope there's train. I said I miss it. Yes, when was the last time?
When are you two going
March?
on a train?
Ang timing may dumaan na train, guys. Check if there's guava pala. Malam. Nakakita kami dito ng guava na hinog last time eh. In this side, my love. But there's no ripe yet. Liliit pa ng bunga. Okay. Ta-da!
Are they growing?
Yeah, there's a lot. May lorry pit party na naman, guys. Yan sila, oh. We are here in the creepy part, guys.
How's it go?
We are here in the creepy part. Natatawa si Daddy Marky every time we're walking here. Sabi niya, no, it's not scary. Makahoy lang kasi siya. Ayan. Kakataos maligo ni Amanda kaya hindi siya sumama. May nadaanan kami na puno. Dami niyang passion fruit na ano. Vine kasi yan, di ba? Naririnig niyo ba yung breeze ng hangin? Di siya maano, pero parang siyang how do you call that? The breeze.
Breeze.
We're home. Time check. It's 6:21. Pawis tayo, guys. Sabi ni Marky, white gecko, Australian. Australian gecko because it's white. Where is it?
Yeah.
Oh. Yan siya. White nga. No, he needs sun. He's pale. Guys, quick drive lang kami. Daddy Marky will get some beers and he wants me to check the windows because it's so clean. Ay, ay, ay. Siya lang naglinis nito, guys. Even vacuuming. I know. Good job. Do it again next time, love, okay?
So now I watch the car.
Yeah. Yeah. Because even in the middle of the day, you can do it.
Of course I can.
You got sunburn.